Meanwhile, there's trouble in Rajasthan as well. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot of the Congress on Saturday warned of renewed attempts by the BJP to topple his government. Launching a direct attack on Home Minister Amit Shah, Gehlot alleged that Congress MLAs met BJP leaders including Amit Shah and Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan during the political crisis earlier this year in the state. He alleged that the MLAs were told that Rajasthan will be the 6th government to be toppled by the BJP. Furthermore, he added that BJP leaders promised to engineer the fall of the Gehlot government, in Maharashtra as well. Gehlot's statements come 4 months after a political crisis triggered by the then Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot's spectacular rebellion was resolved. The BJP has hit back at Gehlot, claiming the allegations have been made without any proof. The BJP said Gehlot is making such statements because he has failed to control the lava of dissatisfaction within the Congress.
चाहे कितनी बड़ी-बड़ी बातें कर ले धनबल के आधार पर सरकार गिराने के लिए षड्यंत्र कर ले और किस प्रकार हमारे विधायकों की जो मुलाकात हुई अमित शाह से वहां पर धर्मेंद्र प्रधान बैठे हुए थे और ये माहौल बना रहे थे वहां पर कि चिंता मत करो मेरा 35 पॉइंट है 4 सरकारें मैंने गिरा दिए 5 ये 6 गिरा के रहेंगे हम लोग थोड़ा धैर्य रखो।
मुख्यमंत्री जी का बेमौसम में इस प्रकार का वक्तव्य देना अपने आप में भी ये सिद्ध कर रहा है कि कहीं न कहीं अंदर खाने काफ़ी उठापटक चल रही है। मेरा ये पहले दिन से ही कहना था कि जब से ये सरकार बनी है जो दिल्ली में उठापटक हुई मुख्यमंत्री बनाने में और उप मुख्यमंत्री बनाने में वहीं से 36 का आंकड़ा था। वो बार बार बीजेपी और अमित शाह जी पर हमला करते हैं। मैं उनसे कहना चाहता हूं कि किसी के पास कुछ जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, पहले घर को संभाल लो।
Well, clearly this is the time there has been a lot of speculation around political appointments, about appointments in the Congress, and that is why seemingly the political pitch has been raised in the state. Several claim that the statements made by Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot are calculated once. He has really hit hard at not just the BJP but also at the Congress's own leaders, mentioning that some of the leaders had to be expelled for the party to ensure that in Rajasthan the Congress kept the power that it had. So clearly hard-hitting statements at the Sachin Pilot camp from Ashok Gehlot, mincing no words. Gehlot went to the extent of mentioning that party leaders sat in front of the Home Minister Amit Shah, Dharmendra Pradhan, and when that meeting was happening thereafter, when the leaders met him, they mentioned that they were really, they were kind of shocked by the kind of reaction or the kind of statements that were made by the Home Minister Amit Shah himself. So clearly, there is a lot more to it than what it seems, but seems to the eye. And behind the scenes, a lot of political activity has been going on in Rajasthan.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.